In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn any colorful image into high quality vector using Vectorize AI. Go to Vectorize AI and upload your colorful photo. Now it's uploading. Just look at this. The before and after results are amazing. Your image is now perfectly converted into a clean, scalable vector. No quality loss, no hassle. Next, click the download button. I will choose EPS format, perfect for Illustrator and other design tools. Hit download and that's it. You can have your vector EPS file ready to use anywhere. Thanks for watching the video.